Think you have total control on your motorcycle? Think again. Official crash data shows that 29.1% of fatal bike accidents involve speeding, and 21.9% involve improper turning techniques. Even confident riders can unknowingly carry habits that erode their control and confidence. In this video, we'll reveal the top 9 riding habits you must break immediately to ride safer and smarter. Each section explains why the habit is dangerous and how to fix it, with facts or examples for context. Number 1. Fearing the front brake. One of the most common and dangerous beginner mistakes is being afraid of the front brake. Many riders rely mostly on the rear brake or hesitate to touch the front lever, assuming it will cause an instant flip. In reality, the front brake provides nearly 70% of a motorcycle's stopping power, according to insurance. Harley-Davidson.com. Avoiding it drastically increases stopping distance and limits control in emergencies. Imagine approaching a red light at speed and pressing only the rear brake. You'll likely lock the wheel, skid, or run wide. Proper braking starts with technique and trust. In normal or emergency stops, begin with a smooth, gentle squeeze of the front lever, allowing the bike's weight to transfer forward and load the tire. Then progressively increase pressure as traction builds. Always use both brakes together, head up and eyes forward. Practice builds confidence. Controlled use of the front brake rather than fear transforms panic into precision and keeps both you and the bike stable under stress. Number 2. Death grip and rigid posture. A tight, locked arm posture is another hidden enemy of control. Riders who grip the bars like they're hanging on for life quickly fatigue, lose steering feel, and struggle to absorb bumps. According to Ducatiredman.com, this death grip disconnects you from the bike's natural motion. Tension stiffens your shoulders and arms, preventing the front suspension and tires from doing their job. The solution is simple. Relax. Keep your spine upright but not stiff. Drop your shoulders and grip the bars lightly, firm enough to steer, loose enough to breathe. Bend your elbows slightly to act as natural suspension, and let your knees hug the tank to anchor your body. When your arms are free, the bike moves beneath you instead of against you. Try loosening your grip during a smooth ride, and you'll feel the handling instantly improve. A relaxed rider reacts faster, steers more accurately, and can ride longer without exhaustion or discomfort. Number 3. Looking down instead of ahead. Where you look is where you go. Many new riders make the mistake of staring at the ground or fixating on one obstacle, a habit that severely limits reaction time. When your gaze drops, your bike naturally follows it, leading you straight toward the hazard you hoped to avoid. Good riders constantly scan ahead, ideally about 12 seconds down the road, as suggested by LuckyBike.com. This wider vision lets you anticipate traffic flow, spot potholes or gravel early, and make smooth, timely adjustments instead of sudden ones. Think of your eyes as steering tools. Looking through turns helps the bike lean naturally, and scanning side to side maintains awareness of surrounding vehicles. If you focus far ahead, your brain has more time to process what's coming, turning chaos into calm control. Look where you want to go isn't just advice, it's physics. The bike follows your line of sight, and your confidence grows when your vision leads your motion. Number 4. Slamming the brakes. Panic and braking don't mix. Many riders react to a surprise by grabbing the front brake in one sudden jab. That instant spike in pressure can lock the front wheel, throwing the rider over the bars or causing a low side skid. The rear brake can also lock and slide sideways. The correct technique is smooth and progressive braking. As Ducatiredman.com explains, you should start with gentle lever pressure to let weight transfer forward, then steadily increase squeeze as the front tire gains grip. Using both brakes together provides stability: front for power, rear for balance, especially on wet or uneven surfaces. Practicing quick stops in a parking lot helps build the muscle memory to squeeze, not grab. In emergencies, calm precision always beats panic. Smooth braking keeps both tires planted, shortens stopping distances, and gives you that crucial extra control when every second counts. Number 5. Twisting the throttle. Too aggressively. Throttle control separates smooth riders from reckless ones. Snapping the throttle open or chopping it closed abruptly can upset traction instantly. A sudden twist may spin the rear wheel or lift it into an unwanted wheelie, while an abrupt shutoff mid-turn can cause a dangerous front-end dive. Even with modern traction control, your right hand is still the most powerful tool or weapon on the bike. The goal is to roll the throttle smoothly, not yank it. As Ducatardman.com points out, steady input keeps the suspension balanced and the tires gripping evenly. When exiting a corner, gently roll on power as the bike straightens up. When entering, ease off without jerks. On wet or loose surfaces, small wrist movements make a huge difference. Smooth throttle transitions keep weight stable between tires, prevent slides, and reduce fatigue. Controlled acceleration isn't slow, it's smart. The smoother you are on the throttle, the faster and safer you actually become. Number 6. Bombing into corners without control. Charging into corners too fast is a classic error that often ends in disaster. Riders who approach turns aggressively without preparation risk overshooting, drifting wide, or losing grip mid-lean. According to francelawgroup.com, improper cornering contributes to roughly 22% of fatal motorcycle crashes. The fix is a timeless principle: slow in, fast out. Always brake and downshift while upright before the corner, not during it. Enter the turn at a manageable speed, eyes through the exit, and maintain a steady throttle. Lean in smoothly, don't yank the bars, and gently roll on the power as the bike stands up. This balance between entry speed and throttle control keeps traction consistent. Many riders crash because they enter too hot, panic mid-turn, and hit the brakes while leaned over. Practicing slower, cleaner entries trains your judgment. It's not about bravery, it's about control. A disciplined corner entry transforms sharp curves into graceful, predictable arcs instead of near misses. Number 7. Overconfidence and excessive speed. Speed itself doesn't kill, it's the false confidence behind it. Overconfidence makes riders underestimate risks and overestimate skill. Statistics show that speeding remains one of the leading causes of fatal motorcycle crashes, according to francelawgroup.com, while Tikaran.com notes that many riders crash on familiar roads because they felt comfortable. The truth: public roads aren't racetracks. Every corner hides unknown gravel, oil, or distracted drivers. Always ride at a pace that leaves room for mistakes, both yours and others. A useful rule of thumb is to travel at a speed where you can stop within the distance you can see ahead. Even reducing speed by 5 to 10 mph can cut your braking distance dramatically and buy you crucial reaction time. Confidence should come from awareness, not arrogance. The best riders look calm and measured because they respect physics. Remember, slowing down isn't losing, it's surviving. Ride with humility, and your skill will naturally expand over time. Number 8. Ignoring engine braking and proper gears. Coasting in neutral or riding in too high a gear is a silent safety killer. Many riders forget that the engine itself is an effective braking tool. Using engine braking, rolling off the throttle while downshifting through gears, helps slow the motorcycle in a smooth, controlled way. According to motorcycletraining.com, this technique reduces wear on your brake pads and keeps the bike balanced during deceleration. On downhill stretches, downshift one gear at a time, rather than relying only on brakes, letting engine resistance help manage speed. Always come to a stop in first gear so you can accelerate instantly if needed, as noted by insurance.harleydavidson.com. Coasting in neutral removes that readiness and forces a delay when traffic suddenly changes. At low speeds, balance throttle and clutch in the friction zone to maintain stability. Matching your gears to your speed keeps the engine responsive, improves control, and prevents the jerky hesitation that often leads to stalling or imbalance. Number 9. Neglecting defensive riding. Even perfect technique can't save you from inattentive drivers unless you ride defensively. Failing to anticipate others' mistakes is one of the biggest causes of preventable motorcycle crashes. Riders who tailgate, linger in blind spots, or assume drivers see them are setting themselves up for trouble. As francelawgroup.com emphasizes, defensive riding isn't paranoia, it's self-preservation. Keep a generous space cushion between you and traffic. A 2-second gap gives you time to react if the car ahead brakes suddenly. Stay out of blind spots and position yourself where you're visible in mirrors. Check your own mirrors regularly and watch for turn signals, drifting lanes, or brake lights. Bright gear and a lane position that highlights your presence can prevent collisions before they start. Most importantly, always plan an escape path. Treat every intersection as unpredictable and every driver as distracted. Defensive riding isn't fear, it's foresight. The discipline that turns awareness into survival on every ride.